home. He used to look like a bum, so I hit his ass. He used to walk, so I hit him with a